traffic controllers dealt with the tense moments on September 11th. But first, a bit of adventure in Britain. Mike Howard floated up to 7,000 feet, dangling from hundreds of helium balloons. Then he shot the balloons and parachuted back to Earth. It was all part of Bristol's International Balloon Fiesta. I'm Rudy Bakhtiar. This is CNN Headline News.
The standing room only CCMers. We've got brand new, never before seen cartoon premieres.
Feel the love, baby.
Plus, brand new cartoon music all weekend long.
Hang on to your underwear.
So join us Friday, August 23rd at 8 for the Cartoon Weekend Summer Fest, only on Cartoon Network.
They're timeless. They've set standards for greatness. They've inspired and influenced all of us. They are the essentials. The movies that define what it is to be a classic. Every week, TCM presents one of these landmark movies and focuses on its influence on the rules to great filmmaking. There are thousands of movies in our history, but these are the essentials. Hosted by Rob Reiner. Sundays at 6 p.m., completely commercial-free, only on Turner Classic Movies.
CNN Headline News, 24/7.